Hello, welcome back to Online English class. Do you remember the kitten from a few weeks ago? So, I wanted a pet kitten. I want a cat. But, can I have a pet? No. So, let's finish the sentence together. It's difficult for me. It's difficult for me to get a cat. This is our key expression for for today. It's difficult for me to get a cat. It's important for me to have no pets in my house. It's difficult for me to eat pineapple pizza. So, look at the sentences. What's the same in each of these sentences? It is impossible for him to eat 100 pizzas. It is nice of him to get help. It is difficult for me to get a cat. They all start with the same set of words. It is blah, blah, blah. We'll look at these some more later. But first, I have a little video for you, and it's in the other link. So, before you watch it, I want you to know that Snowy has a character. He is the teacher. And Bunny is the student. But she's not a good student. She has some bad habits. So they are talking about what Bunny needs to change. So watch the video and then answer a couple of questions in your Google form. So this is question 1. Why does Bunny stay up late? Is it because she watches TV? She likes to snack? She plays phone games? Or she does her homework? Question 2. Listen again and answer, what is not Bunny's bad habit? She has 3 bad habits, but one of these is not her bad habit. Is it staying up late? Eating too much pizza? Playing phone games? Or not doing homework? Which one is not her bad habit? So Bunny has a good habit. Which one is it? Is it helping Cat, studying hard, going to bed early, or eating vegetables? These are in your Google form. So Snowy says some things in the dialogue. He says, it is important for you to manage your time effectively. Remember those sentences? They all start with it is. He says, it's not good for you to stay up late playing phone games every night. Here's again, it's not is the starting sentence or the starting words for this one. Here, it's not and it's. And last, it's and it's again. Our sentence today, all the sentences start the same way with it is or it's not. So, how we use these sentences, they're more formal. So, you'll use them maybe with teachers. Teachers will say this to you, or at your job, your boss might say this to you. And it shows less emotion. That's more common in formal settings. So, like your mom would say, do your homework. But your teacher would say, it's important for you to do your homework. So, you've heard some sentences using the grammar for today. Let's look at them really carefully now. So, how to start? It is or it's not. And When speaking, we usually shorten to it's or it's not. The next word is an adjective. So it's important. It's not good. It's easy. It's nice. It's encouraging. In this sentence, encouraging is functioning as an adjective. Next, we have a phrase, and it's either for someone or of someone. Because they're talking together, it's you and me. But if you're talking about someone else, you can use other names or pronouns. So it's important for you. It's good for you. It's not easy for you. It's nice of you. Encouraging for you. For is more common. More adjectives use for blah blah in English. So, some of these always use for, and some always use of, but some can change a little bit. So here's the difference. Of is more for descriptions and traits, like your personality, like you're kind. It's kind of you to help me. It's nice of you to help me if you're a kind person or a nice person. For is more for abilities and actions. So it's important for you to do your homework. All right, and the last piece is the infinitive verbs. Remember, infinitives always use to manage, to stay up late, to do, to make, to help, to see. All right, so here are those sentences from the beginning of the lesson. And you can see they all start the same, right? And they have their adjectives. And here, because we were talking about other people, we use him and her and me. You can also change these to names. All right, here's the speaking practice. Listen to how Bunny says the sentences. It is easy for her to bake bread. It is easy for her to bake bread. And we normally shorten it to it's. It's easy for her to bake bread. It's nice of him to help. It's nice of him to help. It's difficult for me to eat pineapple pizza. This one is me. It's difficult for me to eat pineapple pizza. Can you hear some words are louder? All right. So in your Google form, here's the activity. It's read the sentence and then circle one of the choices of a phrase. So let's do number 1 as an example. And it says, it's easy for me, blah, blah, blah. Which one is easy? To eat paper or to eat pizza? Don't say paper. Oh my gosh. All right. Please circle the pizza. In your Google form, it's going to look a little different. It'll just have multiple choice questions. Then, oops, my bad. Then you'll have, oh no. Okay, then it's time to write about your friends. So, choose a friend and write their name. And talk a little bit about your friend. Remember, this is an infinitive verb, so it's easy for to blah, blah, blah. It's difficult for to blah, blah, blah. It's difficult for Bunny to go to bed early. All right. So it's your choice. You can write something funny or not. I'll make you some multiple choice answers too, so it's not too difficult. All right, guys. You can do it. Goodbye.